Good morning. Good morning. Glad to have you guys on here. Happy Monday. Ready to get started on the week here and go over some scans. Let's go over some news. Look at some charts. I'm not sure if you are on the weekly watch list, but last night we sent out the weekly watch list. We'll go over some of those tickers here. If you're not on the weekly watch list, I'll put a link here for you in the chat section. Give me 1 second here and I'll grab that really quickly here. So if you want to get the weekly watch list, which is free, obviously, morning, Mark, just click this link here, free weekly watch list. Scroll to the bottom. So here, just click this, scroll all the way to the bottom, and on the right-hand side, you'll have the newsletter sign up. You can sign up there and we'll send you the weekly and the daily watch list for free to your inbox. So we'll go over some of those tickers from the weekly watch list as well. But this morning, I mean, CREX has been one that we've traded in the past. It's making a move this morning here. Let's find out why. Let's dive right on into it, find out why it's making this move. CREX. All right, so CREX. Let's see here today. Oh, I don't see any news today. I see news from 3 days ago. Industry merger creates powerful new digital signal leader. So that's all I see. It's between CREX and CRI. Yeah, that's all I see here. That's 3 days ago, and just now it looks like it's getting that move. On CREX, you know, it's like I always say, I hate when the stocks make the entire move in the pre-market, because then it basically takes the trade away from us. However, let me erase some of these old lines. I will be watching to see maybe this mid 330s area can hold support on CREX today. Oh, you know what? No. This looks way better. If we can break and hold those 370s again, look at that. Every time it's tapped that. Look at that. Boom. Boom. And then here's just under it, 330s. Has not been able to break and hold that level. So if it can break and hold that level, you know, it would be interesting. Otherwise, you know, maybe down here you have a little bit of support, but it could be choppy-ish in the 270s. So I'll throw it on the watch list though. So I kind of like it for the idea of it breaking that level there at 370s. So you know what? I'll do it as a back burner. For now, I'll do it as a back burner list. Back burner list, CREX, watching for 370 break. Do you guys see my charts? Yeah, okay, you see them. I don't know why there's a little bit of lag this morning here. It's so odd. It's really odd. I don't know why. Speed's good. I don't have my broker open yet. But I mean, a big seller on the ask is irrelevant if the stock has plenty of volume to tear through it. So I usually don't, plus they're spoof orders. I usually don't put a big emphasis on anything like that. It could be a spoof order for all we know. If the stock is going to be strong and it's going to give a good move, it'll tear through a level. But you know, we need to make sure it has the volume there. Let me see here. Okay, so CREX watching for break and hold of, watching for 300 break and hold for support. Could have room towards 5. Otherwise, watching 270, 280 area for support. Had news 3 days ago. Well, all right, so we got that one down. I recommend you trade the chart patterns. That's what I do. I trade the chart pattern, not predefined profit, like trivial or not trivial. I forgot the word, but not like, okay, I have to make $1 a share. I have to make 10 cents a share. No, I have to make what the chart allows me to make in my predetermined trade plan with my predetermined risk. EYEPT, this one's making a move here, 36% this morning. Let's see what happens here. Let me check on the news. I don't know what's going on, guys. It's seeming having, we started off really well and now all of a sudden there's some lag here that's really hurting the stream. I might have to stop and restart this stream, guys. I'd hate to do that, but I might have to do it. I'm not sure what's going on. Give me 1 minute here, guys. I'm going to try to see if I can get this fixed. Do you guys hear me and see my screen okay on your end? Because YouTube is showing me that there's lag going on and I can't pinpoint it. It's really, really weird. But do you guys see everything okay as well, or is it really laggy and fuzzy and weird? I don't know why YouTube is showing me like there's a lot of lag and it comes in and out. Like, see, now it's excellent. Okay, cool. All right, well, I guess we'll just continue it and see what happens. It's so weird. Thanks for sticking here, guys. Thanks for sticking with me here. Give me 1 second. Okay, cool. All right, good. I have a brand new router I just got. I'm gonna be connecting that one probably here today if the market's kind of slowish. And I'm gonna do like all sorts of stuff that I have to do in order to get this even better. I'm gonna have two routers running here at the house now. The main router is here by my computer, and my computer's hardwired in there, all that good stuff. I don't know why the stream was acting kind of funky this morning here, but you guys are hearing me now. I see that everything's fine. Oh, thank you, Keith. Well, real quickly, guys, just before we dive back into the tickers, today at the Discord, I will be Mondays. Every Monday, we stream completely for free all day on Discord. Plus, I'm always there on Discord streaming every day of the week anyways, but on Mondays, it's completely free. So all you got to do is click here and join. I do, Robert. I have 1 gig. But I don't know, just acting kind of weird. I have another router here. I'm going to connect that router, which is a new router, brand new. It can do Wi-Fi 6 and all that good stuff. So I'm going to connect that router here, and then I'm going to put the other router on the middle of the house because the house is like kind of like a long rectangle, and then one router is at one end, which is my office, and there's kind of some really spotty areas in the back over there. I'm going to do that and maybe see if I can just dedicate that one router here to my trade setup and the stuff in my office. And then that one middle router will take care of the rest of the house. Maybe that'll help moving forward. Either way, I'm looking at the stuff here on the streams, like a dashboard, and everything looks really good now. So that's a good plus right there. Bang, 2 thumbs up. We can get back to work. CREX, we already went over. Watching for, let's go back to CREX to recap it. Watching for 370 right here to break and hold, or the 280s area to hold support. If the 370 breaks and holds, then you got room. You got room towards $6 actually. $5 and $6 respectively. Let me write that over here. So I'm gonna keep this one on the back burner list just in case. Just in case. EYPT. I don't really like how this daily chart looks right now. Let's see if there's any news on this. EYPT. So 2 days ago, EYPT Pharmaceuticals reports positive interim safety and efficacy data from phase 1 Davio clinical trial evaluating EYP 1901, blah, blah, blah. And maybe if it held that 21 area, but nah. This only has 2.5 thousand shares traded in pre-market, so obviously nothing here. BTB, this thing has been in some crazy tear lately. Selling off some, but if it holds $3, you could see a nice bounce off of this area. Friday's high. I'm not going to come in here and think that BTB is going to make some huge move today. It's already made a huge move from $1 to $3 over the course of a week. So I don't think I'm going to keep that one on watch today. Hey guys, do me a quick little solid there. We got about 20 of you watching and 16 likes. Do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me on the channel here. It'll help tremendously with the stream and having YouTube pick it up in the algorithm and send it out to people, the more we grow the stream, the better, because it'll allow me in the future to do like prizes and giveaways and whatnot during the stream or in the morning. And I might then consider doing the stream every day instead of just Monday through Thursday. I might consider doing it Monday through Friday. All right, just going through some scans here, see if there's anything else. Otherwise, I'm going to start going into some of the weekly watch list stuff real quick. This AVDX broke through this $25 and $26 area. Yeah, mid 25 area this morning or yesterday or Friday. No, this is Friday's action, right? Yeah, Friday's action. You can watch that. All right, let's dive into Facebook. Facebook is my open swing trade. Facebook is my open swing trade. Those of you who've been watching the stream for a while or are in the Discord know that I entered Facebook. Where did I enter Facebook? Here it is. I entered Facebook here, and I've added in here, and I wanted to add some more, and I will add some more, but I'm either going to wait for a pullback, which I at this point I hope we don't get, or a break through this neckline. We identified this before it even came to completely fruition, which was the reverse head and shoulders pattern. All right, I got into it in here for the start of it, and then I added in here, and now I'm looking for a break through the neckline. If we break through the neckline's 345, 346 area, I'll add a little bit more to it, and then I'm holding on to this for the move back up to the highs. Could take a few weeks or a few months, potentially. And what I plan to do is sell 75% of my position up here in front of the all-time highs, or maybe sell 50 and then another 25 through that, and then I'm going to keep 25%, which I'm going to stash away in my long-term portfolio. So that's my plan here on Facebook. Let me see here. Oh, to Rip Chick, I see your question here. Yeah, of course, if you have a bigger account, if you have a trader with good skills that understands how to trade and you give them a small account, can they trade a bigger account easier than a small account? Yes, of course. If you give a trader that isn't profitable a big account, they're just going to mismanage it like they would a small account. So it doesn't matter. Tesla is on the list as well. Tesla, if it breaks underneath 1,000, then you got room to fall to 945, 950, and it is on the weekly watch list because I am watching it for swing trade for that via puts. So watching Tesla, we'll put it on the daily as well. Watching Tesla for a break under 1,000. Maybe a bounce back into 1,000 shows resistance, and I will look for shorts or puts there and see if it can drop to the mid 900s. So Tesla, watching for this $1,000 zone to break, okay? And then maybe we got a move that'll take it back down here to the mid 900s, 940s, 950s, 960s, that area for some to take profits. I would definitely take profits on the way down, and I would definitely take some profits off in the 980s, 990 area, just in case we get another little bounce from there. And then I will definitely, I'm hoping that we eventually get this 50-day moving average up here to 900. And then I'm hoping to get long Tesla down there for a bounce back. Hopefully by then Elon is done selling. So that one is Tesla. Hey, thanks for the likes, guys. I see those rolled in there. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. So that one's Tesla. Another one that I've been watching and eyeing is SoFi, but SoFi really needs to either come back down here to $19, $20, or it needs to break through 25.30. Breaks through 25.30, then you know it's got a good shot there at a nice little squeeze. This is a highly shorted stock. Yeah, there's people who grow small accounts, so of course, why not? All right, guys, do you have any tickers while we wait here for a couple minutes? Because it is hard. It is hard. While we wait here for a couple minutes to see if we get some new press releases to roll through. Remember, press releases tend to roll around every half hour, so 8:30 is coming up. So what'll happen is a wave of press releases will hit, and then those stocks will hit the scanners. That's what I'm waiting for. But in the meanwhile, if you guys have any tickers you want me to take a peek at, I will definitely do that for you. I'll definitely do that for you, and you know, give it some time here for the press releases to hit. Roblox, yeah, Roblox. What a move on this move this here in pre-market. Roblox, I'd watch for this 104 area. I'd watch for this 104 area on Roblox to pull in and maybe hold support. If it can hold support there, you know, I might consider it for a swing trade as well. Right now, I'm feeling like the swing trades are working a little bit better than the day trades. Not that for the last 12 days I've been only read twice on day trades, but I'm just saying that the swing trades have been giving bigger ranges. We've been getting some really nice gap ups. I think Rivian needs to chill for a day, because right now it's just been a little bit. Yeah, Friday was really difficult to trade it. I tried basically break even scratch trade after a nice little, you know, nice little take profit. Then I stopped out of the rest, and I was red on the rest of it. As you can tell, today Rivian's not doing all that hot, but it's really not selling off either. It's really holding on just above that 125 zone. You can see it right here on the daily chart. The second day's high. Why does this circle not want to cooperate? There we go. Second day's high. You have support right here. And now in pre-market, support right here again. So as long as it holds that, it's fine. If it cracks that, it's got room to fall to 119, but I suspect it'd fall a little bit deeper. And I would suspect to see it under 100 in a few months, if not a few weeks. That is a stock that I want to add to my long term next year, because of the simple fact that Amazon is invested in it. Amazon owns 20% of them, so they're not going anywhere. Like, Amazon's there, and I'm pretty sure Bezos is a little pissed that Elon took over as the world's richest man, so who knows what's going to happen on Rivian. But I definitely want to get involved there, but not at these levels. Not at these levels. It'll either come back down to reality and get underneath the IPO price, and I'll start nibbling on it down there in the long-term portfolio, or I'll just let it go. I think options are supposed to be trading on Friday on it, but I didn't see any, at least not in the morning. Tilray. I don't believe in the company for long term. Okay, here you go. 1250 is your level. Boom. Past resistance. Then support. Then resistance. Now you want to see if it wants to kick in as support. If it kicks in as support, then awesome. If it kicks in as support, awesome. Then if not, you know, not that big a deal. Not something I'd be watching too much. So yeah, that's what I would watch on Tilray. All right, let's see if there's anything else hitting the scans. Nothing yet. Take a quick look at Nvidia. Nvidia needs to break that 314 again. Been underneath this for a while here. Oh, Disney, guys. Disney had missed earnings. And it was just a disaster all around in a sense. I'm definitely watching to scoop up some Disney down here to my long-term account. 150s, 140s, if I can get them. Disney broke out of that channel to the downside, but it has been holding up fairly decent so far. Like, I wouldn't expect to see Disney. I wouldn't expect to see it. I mean, if it gets down to the 140s, if it gets down to the 140s, gotta gobble it. I'm gonna gobble some up right there. But I would be pretty hard pressed to see it down here in the 140s. I doubt it'll get down there, but we'll see. I wonder what this will do to my average. My average is from the 80s. I scooped it up last year. Down there. I freaking love it. I just wish I would have bought more. I thought, you know, I thought we were gonna trade in this range for a good while last year. And no one thought we were gonna have that V-shaped recovery. But Jerome Powell said, watch out, I'm gonna turn on my printer. GGPI. This thing is super extended. I don't know what this is. I don't know what they do. So 13 is going to be a level. Then 11. Interim as well, you can watch. Like that mid 11 as well. But I don't really know what they are or what they do. So last week on Thursday in the live stream, I talked about how I really didn't like how, you know, I didn't like a lot of things going on. I didn't like a lot of things going on. Like there was just not a whole lot. That was Thursday. Thursday, nice green day. Friday rolled around. No, Thursday was red day actually, I believe. Yeah, if I remember correctly, and the video's up on YouTube. Thursday was a red day. And then I said, guys, I think Friday will be similar, lackluster, maybe a couple tickers here or there. BTB was one of them. That made a nice move, but lackluster overall, kind of choppy as well. And then today, right now, it's 8:34 a.m. and I'm looking at these scans, and these scans suck. They really do. They're just not that great. Let me look at my other scanners. You know, let me see if I can pull a rabbit out of my hat here and find something on my trade idea scanners. Maybe I find something on my trade idea scanners and that can work out well. In the description section of the video, guys, you can always find the trade ideas with a 15% off coupon code. There it is, with a 15% off coupon code. But let me look at my TI scans real quick here. Bringing it up real quick, and then I'll see if there's anything on there. Oh, Bullseye, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on here. All right. Let me take a quick look here at the TI scans. CSPR. Let's take a look at that. CSPR. Whoa, this came out of nowhere. At what time? I bet you it was 8:30. Oh, just before. This reads of buyout though. CSPR. This reads of a buyout. Yeah, there it is. Casper stock rockets after buyout deal for a 94% premium. So yeah, I figured it was a buyout. Whenever you see a stock trading like this, that's generally like you can put money on it that that's a buyout. So that's what you're seeing there. So that's not exciting anymore. KERN. Doesn't really have much volume. Let's see if there's a press release on this. That might have came out now at 8:30. Nope. No press release on KERN. CSPR, that's the one we already went over. CREX, we already went over. It's on the list. KERN, not interested. OXBR, let's check OXBR. I see it here. And this is a name we're familiar with. See, old lines drawn here. Look at this old line I have drawn here. You saw it pop up. And look at the low in pre-market right at that line. Let's see if it has any news, because this is a pretty big, pretty nice gap up that it's had today. Volume is not that greatest. 4.57 million shares in the flow, 422,000 shares traded in pre-market. No press release today. No press release today. So you see what I'm saying? It's not looking the greatest here today. These small caps just don't seem to be it today. So I'm definitely going to be watching some of the larger names today. Hold on, guys. Got to send something to Jonah real quick. All right. Those of you who don't know, Jonah is the site admin over at the daytraderchatroom.com in the Discord. So he's the site admin. He takes care of everything. And so there's not a whole lot going on. MESO. Let's check in on MESO. Now, there's no volume. Where's the volume? Did everybody stay on vacation for the weekend? This is insane. This is insane. All right, guys. So, like I said, not looking the greatest. Let me grab the weekly watch list real quick here and see some of the other names that we had on watch, and we can go look at those charts real quickly. We already did no, we haven't done. Yeah, we did Roblox. The weekly watch list isn't up, Jonah. Let me grab that real quick from my emails. Hold on, guys. Negative, sir. It is not on the dashboard. All right, I got the email here, guys. So we already went over Facebook. We went over Tesla. You know what? I'll show you Tesla again, a little bit cleaner. Exactly, Robert. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me show you Tesla, guys. I'm going to show you Tesla on the 4-hour chart. Check it out. We got ourselves a little head and shoulders pattern here. And that's what I'm playing on Tesla. Well, I'm not in yet. That's what I plan to play on Tesla. Boom, head, shoulder, waiting for this crack here of this neckline. Then I'll look for an entry. and I'll look to ride this down here to the 940s, 950 area. Palantir, I'm a long-term investor in Palantir, so I don't really day trade it. I've only taken one swing trade on it, and it was back here on this move last year. No, this year. It was earlier this year. My bad. But as far as Palantir, I'm a long-term investor in Palantir, so I firmly, believe in the company, and I buy up the dips. So I bought on these dips here. I bought on this day, and I'm waiting for January for my retirement account to reset because it's already maxed out, so I can buy a little more. I don't have all my eggs in one basket, but I do have a good amount of Palantir. As far as for trading it actively, maybe swing trades or whatnot, watch for 21. If we get a dip down here to 21, or if we break and rehold this 23, we also have a lot of overhanging resistance here, potentially. The 100-day moving average, okay? The 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, all within 2450 to 2520. Very, very tight area there. It's going to be tough for Palantir to break through that. I don't know what's going to happen here anytime soon, but I buy up the dips because I believe the company is good long term. Long term for me is, I'm talking 10, 20 years on this one. Some people say 5, 10 years, and it's possible, but for me, it's a longer term hold. So on Tesla, you have that reverse head and shoulders here on the 4-hour chart. So that's what I'm watching there. 15-minute chart, you can kind of see it as well. There's really, it's got to hold $3, Kern. No problem, Keith. My pleasure. There's no recent press release here as of today. There's no press release. There's no press release today or Friday on this. I don't know why it's moving around. Light volume. You can watch and see if maybe 3 to 320s hold support on that one, but really there's not a whole lot there. You had the 50-day moving average lining up with that $3 zone. Okay, IRTC also on the weekly watch list. Just watching for this channel here. See if it holds 95, 94, 80, $95 zone. And maybe it trades in this new channel here. We traded this one on this big gap up day. Did well, very well on it. Yeah, it looks like we went over most of these. Looks like we went over most of these already from the weekly watch list. Umberto, our swing trade moderator, posted some swing trades, and we emailed those out yesterday with the weekly watch list. So you got to make sure you signed up for that weekly watch list, guys. It's completely free, and that way you get, look at this. We sent out yesterday what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 tickers with good ideas between Umberto and myself. Bmtx. No volume on this thing here, but under 13. Bottom support right now would be in this $12 zone. But this thing doesn't trade much volume at all. You can see there past support at that $12 zone. So maybe it holds that level. Well, it's something to watch, but it needs volume. It doesn't have any volume. Guys, so in 15 minutes or so, it'll be 9 a.m. I'll be cutting the stream off then. I'll finish up. I'll put the last few touches on the watch list, which right now is the thinnest watch list I've had all year long. And then we'll be streaming live on the Discord. All right, so if you're not a Discord member, you can join for free here. And then I'll be streaming live for free as well on the Discord. Okay, it's free chat Mondays. So here you go. Every Monday I stream for free on the Discord. Make sure to click there and then join us on the Discord. And you'll have free access to the Discord, and then you'll have free access to the stream for the day, which is Free Chat Monday. So you'll go to the Discord, then you'll go to the tab section, and you'll see there's a stream going on there right now. You can use that one, and then when that one ends, you can just click. Well, you'll be in the Free Chat Monday section. So yeah, just click that one, and you'll see whatever stream shows up there. So just make sure that's what you do. So you go over to the Discord, go to the left-hand side, you'll see all the different rooms. Find the one that says Free Chat Monday, click that one. All right. So that way you have access to the free stream. Guys, today's watch list looks really bad. Like in the sense that it's super thin. It's super thin. I'm looking at all my scanners. Very, very thin watch list. Let's go take a look at the SPY. SPY with a really nice bounce back day here. Yeah, man. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be one of those days much like Friday. It's going to be one of those days much like Friday. Very, very, very tough to trade, I think. Robert said earlier, a good day to sit on your hands. It might be so. I might do a lot of sitting on my hands this morning after the bell, and waiting for something to really show me some strength that I can get behind on. Otherwise, or weakness that I can ride down. Otherwise, today might be a no trade day, and I have no problem with that today, honestly. And then what I'll do in the live stream in the Discord is, if I have a no trade day, we'll just jump into extra education and an extra Q&A session. And we'll do that. We'll take advantage of the time. It's like this. It's real time. It's just like this. It's real time. Thank you. Little Cuban coffee. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. So yeah, Robert, it's just like this. It's real time. And I'm on the mic all day. So guys, if you don't know how the stream works, let me just tell you. So in the morning, right, when we go over to the Discord, today's Free Chat Monday, you'll have access to the stream for free. So at 9 a.m., I'll end the stream here. I'll jump over to the Discord. And then a few minutes after that, like around 9:15 or so, I get on the mic and I stream my screen on the Discord. And I go over my pre-market plan with the team, okay? And then the bell rings at 9:30. I don't trade. I'm not a scalper, so the 9:30 doesn't hit, and I'm hitting hotkeys and all sorts of no. 9:30 the bell rings, and I just start flipping through charts, trying to see what stock might give me an opportunity today, and I wait for my patterns to develop, and then I trade my patterns. Right. So we're trading live in the morning. I'll run till 11 more or less, around 11. If it's weakening, if the day is starting to like calm down, simmer down, we jump into recaps. I'll recap my trades from the morning and the morning's actions and charts. And then we'll jump into a live lesson on the day. Okay. And then we'll go off to lunch. The lunch is from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. At 2 p.m., I come back on the mic and we do an afternoon scan to see if there's anything setting up for an afternoon trade. If there is, great, I'll get into that trade. Usually my afternoon trades, if there is one for me to jump into, last about an hour or so. They're very lengthy, okay? If there's no afternoon trade, then every so often, today being the case, we'll jump into an afternoon lesson or an afternoon Q&A, okay? So we'll do that today. And that's how it kind of works around 3 p.m. If there's really nothing cooking, I kind of start to get ready to like close it down for the day, but I let the scanners keep working and I put the after hour scanners up for you and we let those run as well. So there you go. A little overview of how the day goes. Yep, later when I'm on there, you'll see my screen. All right, guys. What time is it? 8:51 a.m. And like I said, the scanners, look, we've been looking at the same scanners together. They have not moved. It is still CREX, EYPT, MYPS with no volume, 3,000 shares traded. I could have done that. PTB, which is selling off. There's literally no change at all in these scans. Looking at my TI scans, same thing. CREX has the best volume. EYPT, next best volume. EYPT, I mean, I don't even want to put this thing on the watch list, but I'm going to have to. EYPT, watch that $20 zone, see if it holds support. EYPT watching $20 area for support. Could have room towards 25. So yeah, guys, if today's it's going to be a lackluster day, we'll just jump into some extra. Actually, room towards 25 to 27. We'll jump into extra educational time there. We'll go over charts. We'll go over some lessons. And that's what we do. You know, that's what we do in the stream. After we're done trading, that's what we do. If trading is lackluster, then that's what we do. We just do extra training, let's call it, you know, stuff like that. That was delicious. This has zero volume, basically. Like, it just got some volume out of nowhere now, which is surprising. I had to watch that $9 zone right here on the daily. But this is weird. This thing is traded nothing. Not quite sure what this is about. Today, my main watchers is going to be Tesla. Tesla for my short, Facebook for, I don't think I'm going to get an ad today on this thing. I have to wait for a red day on Facebook to get my ad, and what I'm probably going to do is just get my final ad on it, and that's it. I kept bidding for my final ad down here at 325, at 320, and I never got it, and that was stupid of me. I should have bid it at 325, 326. I missed out on a huge ad. Kind of mad about it myself. So now I'm looking for the next red day on Facebook, or a break through this neckline, and then I'll add, and that'll be it. You know, I'll hold on to it. Yeah, it's not looking like there's much, guys. So I'll be watching Tesla today for my short. I'll be watching. I'll put Rivian on here. Watching for 125 to potentially crack and become resistance. Could have room down to 120. Could have room down towards 120, 119. We'll leave it at 120. So yeah, I mean, there's just not a lot, guys, that I like. SoFi, I don't think SoFi's gonna do much today. So yeah. So right now my watch list is Tesla, EYPT, Rivian, and CREX. That's my watch list as of now. Yeah, one life, one chance barcode, exactly. That one was a barcode-ish one. Don't know. Check your emails and download those files because I didn't record all that, so that we just let it die. It's gonna expire soon. I'm gonna resend it to you right now. Don't know. Email inbound, my good sir. These are about to expire. No, don't get me, get it. I don't know if these are all the same, my man, but I sent all the emails. There's 3 emails. I got email letting me know they're gonna expire. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning. All right, guys. So we got 3 minutes here. All right, we got 3 minutes before 9 a.m. rolls around, and then I'm gonna cut on over to the Discord. I wish we had a better watch list. I really do. But I'm using 2 sets of scanners here. You guys throwing up some tickers, and we've come up with what I believe is possibly the best I can come up with today, because it's just not a day. I'm going to be looking for downside today on some of these weaker plays, because there's just nothing screaming I'm going to be the strong one today. Thank you, Robert. Definitely, man. Can't wait to see you in there. Looking forward to trading with you today. So yeah, guys, make sure to take advantage of today's free chat Monday in the Discord. You can join us always for free in the Discord, but then to get the stream today is free. Maybe we should call it free stream Monday, Jono. Free Discord and free chat stream, click here. And that's today, Monday. You get access to that on Mondays for free, because we are awesome like that. We want to give you guys, a free day to join us. All right. So there you go. Otherwise, you can always join us in the Discord and get access to all the Discord and all the stream for $24.99 a month. All right. That's a no brainer. You spend less than that. I mean, that's less than a cup of coffee a day, honestly. And we know some of you Starbucks addicts out there. You spend like $5 a day. 7. I just have my little Cuban coffee in the morning, and that's it. So we got 2 minutes here, guys. If you have a ticker you want me to look at for you before 9 a.m., throw it up in chat right now. I'll be happy to do that. Otherwise, remember, I do these live streams every Monday through Thursday. I just started doing them last week, and we're doing really well. I like it. You guys are coming in here. We're talking. We're having some laughs. As a matter of fact, having some laughs. Kind of forgot this morning to do our quote for the morning. Let's get in there real quick and get today's morning quote. I kind of forget to do that one in the morning, but it's all good because I just remembered. We're going to bring it up right now. There we go. All right, so today's quote is brought to you by Mr. Dwight Schrute, and it says, "Superior genes. I am a Schrute, and superior brain power. Through concentration, I can raise and lower my cholesterol at will." Pam says, "Why would you want to raise your cholesterol?" So I can lower it. It is common sense like that, guys, that makes the world go round and round. I love The Office. Huge Office fan here, guys. I don't know about you, but I have more of those coming. So do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me. All right, it really helps out tremendously with the algorithm and the YouTube pushing the stream out to get more people. Like I said, once we keep growing, I might consider doing this on Fridays. For now, we're doing it Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. All right. And in the future, we'll do some giveaways and such here in the morning as well. All right. It's been my pleasure joining you this morning here on the stream and going over some tickers and some charts with you, answering your questions and sharing some of my information with you. Come on over to the Discord. I'm going to go over there now, and I'll be there all day long. Thank you very much for joining, and thank you very much for smashing that like button, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.